Everyone talks about passive income like it's the easiest way to get rich. But what if I told you? Most people fail at it before they even start. Not because they're lazy, not because they're not smart, but because their brain is playing a trick on them. You've seen it everywhere. Make money while you sleep. Earn daily with zero effort. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the truth. Passive income is not easy money. And if you believe it is, you're already losing. Trap number 1. The illusion of easy money. Your brain loves shortcuts. It wants fast rewards with no effort. But real passive income takes time. Months, sometimes even years of work. Trap number 2. Dopamine addiction. People jump from one thing to another. Dropshipping, crypto, YouTube. They get excited, then bored, then they quit. Trap number 3. Unrealistic expectations. People think, I'll start today and earn next week, but that's not reality. Trap number 4. No patience. Passive income is actually delayed income. You work today, and you wait. Trap number 5. Following hype instead of building skill. People copy trends, but they don't learn anything valuable, and without skills, nothing lasts. So here's the truth. Passive income is not passive at the start. You work hard now. Build systems, and then you earn later. Stop chasing easy money. Start building real income. Because winners are not the smartest. They're the most consistent. And remember, if it sounds too easy, it's a trap. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this.